Napo. Napo. Guys. Napo. Ak. Because we school no join any and take clan. On see a OSS no near groups be or ultimate join be. Na baku near friend yente clan. What you say? And no unya join ya wesi was on the obeke. Napo. Aish. Napo, just some good to we're releasing new track across Ed and Kensu and Cage. I'll call the guitar stores and Nina on Sabe can be audio mark. Apple tunes near the other YouTube on so video need that watch say air trend pa. Napo track no there, but in fact a man for Napo say okopiem ewo na yana Bukari Mahama Yendi so we onim to ya de omo ekopie ho na Napo say unim di ntia uye kremoni e wo so to wabade Mahama o se uye sa eye haram Napo say uye kremoni na to wabade ma John Dramani Mahama eye haram ena uye chief imam nso na wo bom paye e de ma John Dramani Mahama eno se haram etian kremu so
I am Muslim. You live in Napo. You are in Napo. And you take your thumbprint. And you vote for NDC. It is a haram. My dear, if you are an imam and you pray. And you pray for John Dramani Mahama to become president. Instead of the Kamamud Baumia. It's a haram. It's not just me, I can say it. I cannot say it. NDC only uses Muslims for votes. The only uses Muslims for votes. They can use for votes.
Yeah, you're right, Yakupo. Politics. And that's a good too. Na Brown Napo. Baby, other politics Eeei. Next Christians nina so because some Haman so kwa sorry you. Next Christians in so ka say no mo so nto ma ba makremuni a. Na che say no so ye koya na se by. Me pa cho this kind of politics madaroma. Yeah, mama yinyai kakra. Mean condemn you because dear why gonna chiro na waka but I think say a near many bi o ha it was ye can ye hwe ni because e ba say ya I say a insight what you say sa and e ba san so a your friend is saying Christo ni bi nso to no so be na dwen say ene me nso me nkotoma ba emfa man kramuni me pa cho ba bia dru no enye nkramusem ene enye a Christo sem ye nyina ye nipa baako da bia me kan asem we say utwa kramuni ho twa Christo ni ho twa busumsum ni ho a nye nyina moja ene beba enu nti enka mesre MPP NDC say omo ko gina platforms a omo nka ne omo aye wate ase nenka timamufo enhwe so emfa ento aba so wuntimi nka ne waye kra I think there are some other ways bi amode mo samo wa no amotimi de dada yin oh no but ekoba sa comments bi say dia ya na in fact akoye ade a as a very harsh kakra wadaroma champion Napo no yente clan and that's a good one na adudi ni yes they say they just say adudi nana adodankwa akufu ado wizi sabra me no ka say adonso apeja statue e de esi ho o se mo trumpeter mi ankasa me bɔ me trumpet pa e de akire mo me se bobi abɔ mabaso wa me abɛbɔ me trumpet me trumani am hunu kwa me nkroma statue chese statues bibribe mo sisi anhwe ama me kwa mu nsi ti wo se me simi di ansa na makɔ me pa cho ukopie mu a ewo Efia Nkwanta hospital. Sabra me no ka say on say hospital na nkasa na ye renovation. Ene kwan no nso ye. Na ade a ye renovation na ye kwan. Ye say ye mount bibi. Afei de ye nko bie so Nana Addo dankwa ekufu Addo. Ono ankasa na apagya ne statue eno de asi. A very huge one, very nice one. Statue ne de efe pa. Eno apagya no de asi. Ena amanfo se na renovation kura ye nwie yo. Ena roundabout na ankasa nso a statue ni simu no. Esim futrum. Enti aden na se Nana so be bibi sa akra na. Ene nka me yenwie hospital no, yenwie renovation, yenwie kwan no. Na ene nka wo bie kwan na no a. Na wo bie your friend is saying statue no. Why na why dey asi o na nka wo bie ano e de aka ho. Ana ne wo ye wo pa chese kwan ne de. Unwie entila umpese ube bie kwan na no ne statue la bobulada. Na unye because enkane friend say ya renovate hospital na wie ya ye kwan na wie na wa pagya wo statue ntinka da ye nyina ye betwa ahia ho no ekwan nie hospital nie na wo statue nie na nka edimu Addo di say no onti ase also otimi pagya statue na ansa na statue ni gina no kura betimi motivate contractors no amomotimi ayeden awie kwan no Nana Addo dankwa ekufu Addo. Addo di. Addo ajiwudin. Oye guy basa. Na enu na Nana ya Brefo. Ese Nana Addo edi chese edi ekure ni. Edi ensem na ekoso yi. Nana nti ade a wankasa wahwe nyame anim. Ohwene tia esan wani mienu ntam a waye nti Nana eye. Nana ya Brefo ene ne nkofo discuss ye. Ewo Onua FM. Yenko na yenkuti ensem a Nana ya Brefo kai.
Mate. JB.
Ohoye.
Bako de. President ho ni no. Nana Addo. No, why the back?
Papa, obi aye na drada.
O de si, o mo de minim nipa kura o ye na dwene so be ye wi. O mo say development to for Western region and I can say takrade development inti. Na me minim development kura o mo kan Western.
Na o mo ye
I'm takrade.
O mo ye dual carriage road. Dey say na okay.
Obi anka de nyi. Na bankran GIJ na mezi me ni wa ko services primary. Mo ko region international. Moko fijai numbersin ko axim moko sign me ya national service wo maternity school no materials ho enti na say so me ma me gudu water crowd moko na overhead the wali where you overhead why attack the market circle why me what start market circle here
no so gudu
da be
na dey else would one day dey see would na dey one day dey see
hospital
aba na break hospital wali ye Efia Nkwanta wo gudu hello why runabout no wali ye why double carriage road
na run not the found my hand
na so why you here Fulham why you statue but statue is
statue no crash on he's renovating.
So what is the problem?
Na ne fe ne senk wa wie no wo de wo kwa akobia no a na nka ye du din abade no ho
in the case of this one. In the case of this one. Regional minister. I confirm with the Achille Ghana for say, Odidi Mananadu Bidi. Dako. Also, I yes, I did way at the Ama and another Dankwa just to say thank you to another Dankwa. So, what
what's your problem? So what is the problem? The Western region airport or Kumasi being Sitakrade.
Na airport
Nkwanta na Addo why you Kumasi. Airport Nkasa ho ni we e ke de Kumasi.
Airport Nkwanta
na Addo aye Kumasi na se kwan wa Takrade.
Airport Nkwanta change development.
Na badi Ghana for nipa yesi president ni ti na mo pa tre se.
Nana.
I don't know a value what
no.
He's my boyfriend. I beg. The president is my boyfriend. That is not my boyfriend's head. This is not my boyfriend's head. Don't go and say. Men plan no. Men plan to say. He's my baby. My baby's head is not like this.
Nana.
I don't know the answer. No cry. Say, for me the answer. Nana. Wow, space no so the same thing. In fact, eyebrow ben no the man.
Nana.
Wait, and yet ben no. Nana. Anyway, and yet mommy. Express kata what did you? Mommy. Yes, son.
Boy, you said you won't go heaven.
Why? Wait, as a president. Nana. That's a through the and said we are why yes, as a president for Kenya. Nana. Man yade. Nipo ye we. Otre dako wa yade.
Nana.
Honorable minister wa yade.
Me say me so make us I obi antie nkan. Me question so I just want to learn.
I'm also
what are the protocols say bia to say ya Nana.
Where a thank you gift.
And then na obeye obe merit be.
I thank you. I do the na
said your kind why you adwuma.
Okay.
Extraordinary job be
to say. E wo hefa e bia omudi sina na de.
Say that no NI before you be my tea way.
It
is the state, especially when it comes to governance. When it comes to governance, on my moon, not said a kufu, Emma, Beyonce chain, Jay-Z chain. That no the order of the North was order of the water.
Okay.
Why be a why strong Bonumbi, Ghana, your history, why your BB, what Bobi, Aje cap B, na cap no crown on your boy cap jacket. Well, why you are
monumental?
Yes.
Simple. Why be monumental?
What it means is that Nanado I be because
I
don't even be kwana. Maybe say kosa. Nature say when is one as an anabo adwumaso ewo western region ana.
Receive venue no cry is very relevant. Na baby o that way into area now if you talk about it. Baby o relevant.
Very relevant.
What's so much
very relevant.
Why a hospital why as that? Focus hospital way.
The reason I'm asking
hospital. Let's see what about
hospital. If you run about.
A hospital.
If you run about.
E kwa no da hono to dan.
Road no only here. Oh, you dual carriage. How many years? And a one company about the dual carriage. Why you dual carriage? He's doing it. He's doing it. It is more trouble. People are using it. What are you saying?
And I'm right about it. Airport run about. Airport run about. They are doing the cemetery.
No, they are doing it.
They are doing it.
I don't know doing it.
They
are doing it.
Please,
sports time.
He's done a lot. He's done a lot.
He's done a lot.
But we
don't have that kind of airport.
The president has done a lot. No quite one. But you see, as an Osdeyan no kwando. Your state, there's a state institution also will plan the magic. It is not the prerogative of the regional minister and the party executives. On your party executives, the regional minister.
Yes.
Why the man? Every city will be inundated with
confusion all about.
Confusion because
why?
Yes. Now, before I'm wondering what will happen. But you see, the relevance, the venue, in some P count, yeah. Papaya walk to you see where they placed
yes,
you know,
strategic
here. There's a reason why they placed it at that.
It should have been placed. And I tend to agree with the people to remind them. To remind them of their sins.
You come off on a patch because Inca would have been a dent on their image.
It's still a dent. Let it be there.
But old baby.
So it remind the youth who are coming that this is not the way.
Old baby, I chap a bit of edgy. I remember when I was a sports journalist, among other people, the petition na the quay. There, Edward Aqua.
Yes.
It's Mr. Sputnik.
Yes.
Edward Aqua. Nzama Waye Zama Ghana.
Yes.
The Black Stars.
Yes.
Nizino nka won fon to the Gendu Park. Besin den.
Mr. Wapia,
I don't know.
Problem.
I don't know if you they know anything about Edward.
US ambassador to Ghana wasan etimu biem eye maame a mebo ni din a ya na ni din no ase ano eden ma me because ni din no wanhwe ya obo a wakoka de bi ati ase ono ni din ni ye Virginia aha Virginia kuremu odeni mu otoro maame akasa maame ne se all cultural Ghana politicians se mo behwe na maye nkambo mu a monkamum na sa peace ade na monsan a akoye nchinyuahye no monsan na mo behwe na monkasa yem nso amo ka wo mabatu mu no mo akeka ne yi amaka ne yi because samo de moni atoso sese bia ntokwase mo mamu a mo beje visas aba America o se ni nyina ye de tabo ba betoto ni nyina so etie na me se wow ede because politicians never can say huna na wonim de ne nansi so wagye ne yere ne mavisa nyina agu nti agi se wom na o mafa na o mko this time around US ambassador to Ghana say sanse hunu no samo behwe na maye man yi a munye ne yie because sagi wom a munyina mo betena ha hye ti munhwe ne yie.
So Ghana is the 4th country in Africa, I think, where we've announced it. We also have instituted that policy in Europe and Latin America. It's not directed at the government of Ghana or at particular political parties, but we can not just refuse visas, but revoke visas for people who undermine or interfere with Ghana's democratic process. I think it's a very useful tool to have. I hope I don't have to use it. I hope it will deter bad behavior and hate speech. And I hope that I'll call again for early signing of the Peace Pact. I'll call on political leaders to come down hard on other candidates in races down the ticket, or even people just raising a ruckus.
And na Brefo sa debi maame no wankasa yie maame na nkasa yie ensem be na maame na kanisa wo so hwem no ni fi asem o si hwem na di wo fi asem na wo fie kura no unya ni ho asem wie no aba beka ye de ti na ya Brefo asan akasa yenko na yenko ti ensem na ya Brefo e kai
na US ambassador say yanya den madam uko nti yasem fa ho ben yes ambassadors mo hwene tuatua yensem mo hwene mo nka mo de why if you believe yasem fa mo ben e go sign peace pact peace pact go peace pact e odia ye that no political parties mpanyimfo akandifo wo to safre mo asori mpanyimfo so wo nkọ bampa ye enshebo e wa asomdwe mu enu na yade ade. What was that? What kind of peace you want? Physically for the person to tell you, I want peace. Paper na ne san shase ye no. Enu na ye den. Because obi betimi de ne san shase paper ase. Ensu na paper no de ne san shase ye ne de eso ye wonye. Enti ambassador wo ya sapon ne sen. Ambassador me so wo ya sapon pa no e de sen. Mo na mo visa mo so no te se de ye aduane bi ana se ye life. Mo so visa no te se de ye obi nkwa. Na nyamo a ya mpanyimfo na mo bre yie.
You pay money transfer. Ebi ana or Canada or US. Baby, I'll be send this card to Ghana. Make it sure. So be download the application. You pay now the auto phone. So download the pay. The TNA. O send this kind of promo code DJK in fashion. Unya bo shemu pa. Bonso benyes ka kwa dia konsika. O send their brand Ghana so yentene kapre. You pay. Man sign for hi DJK Nyansa po channel. For more than say subscribe and press the notification button for more uploads. My crowd.